Peace be upon all. Welcome to another quick reflection on the Quran so we can get the day off to a good start. Today we're looking at chapter 2, verse 42. God says, Wala talbisul haqqa. Wala means and not, and do not. And do not. Talbisu. Talbisu means to confuse something, to mix something up, to get something confused and mixed up. Wala talbisul haqqa. Do not confuse the truth, al-haqqa, bil-batili, with falsehood. Do not confuse or mix up the truth with falsehood. In other words, we must identify, we must distinguish between what is true and what is false. Now, we can only do that through using our brain, through using reason, which God has bestowed us with, and by not blindly following what others tell us, and not just simply using herd mentality. We must use our God-given intellect to distinguish between the truth and falsehood. Then Allah says, وَتَكْتُمُوا الْحَقَّ. And taktumu means to conceal, to hold back something, to hide something. So, وَتَكْتُمُوا الْحَقَّ وَأَنْتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ, when you know. So God is telling us we must not hide the truth. So once we have managed to distinguish between the truth and falsehood, which takes effort, by the way, we must then not hide and conceal the truth. In other words, we must spread it. We must communicate it. The summary is that number one, we must make efforts to distinguish between the truth and falsehood in all aspects of our lives and our dealings. And that we must not conceal the truth. We must communicate it. Let's reflect. Have a good day. Peace.